F-15! Fire! Boom! Alright, it crashed! Japanese Zero! Eat this! Whoa! Kaboom! Gotcha! Here comes another one! Ah! Ah! Kamikaze attack! Boom! Here comes another one! Take this! Boom! Alright, I'm safe! Yeah! Boom! Oh, slower one! Easy! This jet is quick! Woo! Oh yes, I disabled it! Alright, money! Hey guys, what's up, what's up? A mouse or cursor controlled minigun mechanics! It's very easy guys! I actually did this before. With this tutorial, I mounted it on a vehicle. This is actually more useful for mobile users. So let us start doing the mechanics. Place big cannon. It's better if it is facing here. By the way, it only costs 250 gold. Use scroll tool to move this up or add platform first. It is better if it is elevated for more angle. So place big cannon on the platform. Place hinge like this. Place block on the hinge. Place seat like this. Save. Then load the auto minigun. Guys, if you don't have this, do my tutorial first. It's very easy, very quick tutorial. And have a separate save slot for this. I want lots of PvP with this because ammo is infinite, yeah! So here is my auto minigun set covered by blocks for duplication. It also holds the delay. This is actually two sets of mechanics. So use the cake glitch, place cake like this, and check anchor and collision. Go to the waterfalls, then if on the right spot, load your build. Then go back to base. Sit here, check anchor, delete these blocks and seats. Actually, two sets of auto minigun is too much. Too much lag, guys! I delete this. So one set will remain. After all, I only used one set on my previous PvPs. Place switch. Find one delay here. Now merge the miniguns like this. Move it a little closer to the cannon. I'll add block to make sure the delay will not fall. You can turn the mechanics transparent and turn off collision too. Except the hinge, don't turn off the collision of the hinge. As you can see here, no visible mechanics. So save and reload. Now to test this and check anchor, press switch first, then get inside the cannon. Then control using the cursor. Alright! Rocks clear! Here comes Ethan Hawk with his tank, guys! He's shooting me! This has some range too! Alright! Another one is trying to shoot me with cannons! Oh, he's too close! So guys, that's the mechanics for a mouse or cursor controlled minigun. It's not perfect guys, there will be some weakness. It is sitting duck, yeah! But if you can mount this on a vehicle, this will be more powerful. And enemies can destroy this too, especially if more than one enemy. Some armor can help defend against these too. And other quick weapons like missiles. And number one enemy is Slug, yeah! But still powerful, right? Very quick to target and kill enemies, and a chance to destroy small targets like bombs. And this one is easier to control than my laser. By the way guys, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe now and click the notification bell. Please like and share the video. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye!